guys, this is your boy Bhaskar and welcome to your channel. So the wait is over for the class 12th as well as class 10th CBSE term 1 examination. Schedule has been released by CBSE in their official website www.cbse.nic.in. You can go and check, but don't need to go because I am already uploading in my YouTube video. Just have a look that what is the time. Okay, so class 12th exam will start from December, right? It will start from 1st December, and class 10th one will be discussing little later, but just see first class 12th. Okay, see, on the 1st of December we have one on the 1st December we have a sociology examination. On 1st December there is a sociology examination on 1st December, and time is all same, that 11:30 to 1 p.m. Okay, all the times are same. Keeping in view the winter season, the time has been increased and the reading time has increased by 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay, previously in order to read the question paper they used to provide you 15 minutes, but from now they will be providing you with 20 minutes, and time is from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. That is what 90 minutes of time duration they have given you for writing their paper of term 1. Okay, because it is of the December will be of little bit winter, it will be there may be certain kind of discomfortness, so time has been increased from 10:30 to 11:30. Okay, on 1st of December, see, it is sociology examination. On 3rd December it is English core subject. On 6th December you have mathematics. On 7th December you have physical education, and on 8th December business studies. Again, on your 9th December you have geography. On 10th December is your physics. Like mathematics is on 6th December, okay, and physics is your 10th December. Those who don't have physical education will get a good day of 4-day break. In between they will get a break of around 4 day, right? So this is very good, one good option. Again, you have got your 11th December. On your 11th December there is a psychology examination. On 13th of December accountancy. On 14th December chemistry. Like again 10th December there is a physics, and on 14th December again chemistry. Means if you consider the time duration, gap duration, around 3-day gap you will get very nicely. On 15th December we are getting a gap of around we are getting economics. On 16th we have Hindi elective and Hindi core, 2 subjects. On 17th you have pol science. On 18th December you will have your biology examination. Like on 14 was your chemistry. On 18 is your biology. That means roughly around 4 day or 3.5 day of gap is there in between the subject. On 20th December you have your history. 21st is your informatics practical and computer sciences. On 22nd is your home science. Let's see some note, what is there on the note. Date sheet of minor subject will be provided by the school separately. The examination of the subject will start from 16th of December. Along with above examination of class 12, exam of minor subject will be also conducted. Duration is 90 minutes, already is given and said. And see, time reading period for question paper will be around 20 minutes instead of 15 minutes. Okay, keeping in view of this winter season, time has been increased from 10:30 to 11:30. exam will start, and anything you have to confirm, you can confirm from this website, that is www.cbse.nic.in, right? So this is all your examination. So if I consider the routine is fairly good, routine is quite good, schedule is quite good, because you have around gap of almost 3 to 4 day gap you have if you are whether a science student, and if you are a science student you have gap of 3 to 4 days even, right? So you can prepare very well. Hardly there is one month is left. If you start preparing from now, leaving aside all the distraction, leaving behind every distraction, if you just focus, you can crack the examination. You can good very well. Now just go, let's start with the 10th schedule. Let's see the 10th schedule just now. And keeping in mind the class 12th schedule, just let's see that class 10th schedule, right? So on class 10th exam will start from your 30 November. On 30th November time is 11:30 to 1 p.m. same time, that is of 90-minute time only, right? First exam is a social studies, and on 2nd December you have science. On 3rd of December you have home science. Those who don't have home science, like on, you will get a gap. On 4th December you can see there is a mathematics standard and mathematics basic. Who have opted for standard will write standard, who have opted for basic will write basic exam. On 8th of December you can see, I can see that computer application exam will be there, that is computer science exam will be there. On 9th of December there will be Hindi course A and Hindi course B. On 11th of December you have got your English subject, language and literature. Right, there is also certain note, the same note is been given to you, like exam will be of 90 minute, exam will start from 11:30 instead of 10:30, because this is a little bit of winter season, right? Because of winter season the exam will be of like this, and it will be a 90-minute exam. Exam will be right your 90-minute exam, 90-minute exam, and you will get 20 minutes to read the question paper instead of 15 minutes. Okay, so exam, I think class 11th, for class 10th little gap is less, but okay, it's quite well, because your class 11 class 10th is not nothing very very hard, because syllabus is only half. Keeping in mind that syllabus is reduced, syllabus is halved and less than even half, and time is 90 minutes, question paper will be moderately easy, and you can just do very well. Keep studying, remove all your distraction, and you will be doing it very well. Thank you, stay tuned, stay subscribed, मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you very much.